The PNI House WiFi650 video surveillance kit can be controlled from mobile devices through XMI application compatible with Android and iOS or general CMS software. You can find the CMS installation file on the CD included in the package, or you can download it from our website from the product page in the download section. Through the dedicated applications, you can follow in real time the images taken by the cameras, to which is added the complete access to the system that allows you settings, view recordings, downloads recordings. You can connect the camera to the internet through a wireless network. Also, connect the camera to the MVR via a wireless connection. The maximum Wi-Fi transmission distance is 100 meters in open field. The cameras are equipped with 3 IR LEDs that allow visibility even at night up to a distance of 30 meters. The kit includes a 12-inch LCD monitor with a slot for installing a 2.5-inch hard disk and ports such as VGA and HDMI for connecting another external monitor, USB for connecting mouse and stick in case of firmware update, and RJ45 for connecting the system to the internet. You can connect to this system 4 IP 1080 cameras or 8 IP 960p cameras. To record, you must install a 2.5-inch hard drive of up to 8 TB in the dedicated slot. Hard disk is not included in this kit.